How to send Telegram group link. Hi guys, so in this video I will teach you how to send Telegram group link. So if you want to learn how it's done, just watch this video until the very end. It's just pretty quick and simple, so let's go. So to do that, we need to head over to our Telegram, and there's actually two methods because it depends if whether you own the channel or not. So if you own the channel, you can head over and just create the channel right here by clicking on the plus, and then click on this new channel right here or new group. It depends on you, but for me I will choose this new channel. Then just rename the channel, then click on check, and then you can make it a public channel. But if you make it a public channel, you need to type in the link that you want. So this link right here, you can send it to friends that you want to join this channel. But if it is private channel, then Telegram will provide you a link that you can copy and share. So right now, let's make it a private channel, and then click on check right here, and then just click on this arrow, and then from in there, as you can see, we have successfully created the channel. So in order to share the link, so just click on that, and then from in there you can see this subscribers right here. So just click on subscribers, and you can see all things or subscribers that you have. So in here you can see the option to invite by link. Click on that, and you can see this link right here. Just click on copy. You can also click on this create new link, and you can set this actually limits that you can use, or you can also make this a link name. And then if you click on this three dots right here, you can revoke the link or you just get the QR code. So let's try to revoke it, and click on revoke, and as you can see, a new link has been added that you can copy and send to a friend. So if you don't own the channel, then you can just click on the channel that you don't own, then click on the name right here, and from in there you can see their link right here. So just click on that and then send it to a friend that you want to send this to right there. You can also click on this in order to generate a QR code of them and then send it to a friend. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to send Telegram group link. If you have questions or comments, kindly put in the comment section below. And if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks.